In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a balance sheet from QuickBooks Online. This process is designed to help you create a detailed snapshot of your business's financial position, and it only involves a few straightforward steps to achieve this. First, let's open up our preferred web browser. For optimal performance, I recommend using Google Chrome as it tends to be the most compatible with the QuickBooks Online platform. Once your browser is open, navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. You'll need to log in with your account credentials. Make sure your login details are handy before starting to keep the process seamless. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu on your dashboard. Here you'll find a variety of options to explore. What we're interested in is the Reports section, so go ahead and click that. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll notice a search bar at the top, as well as some pre-categorized report options under the standard report section. We're looking for the balance sheet report. If you don't immediately see it listed under the standard reports, just type balance sheet into the search bar and it should pop right up for you. Click on the balance sheet report to proceed. At the top of the screen, you'll need to select the period that your balance sheet will cover. You can choose from preset options such as this month or this year, or you can set a custom date range if you're focusing on a specific time frame. Think about what period you'd like to examine and select accordingly. Now you might want to customize this report further to fit your specific needs. If that's the case, there's a Customize button you can click on. This allows you to tweak various aspects of the report such as filters, additional columns, or even the way the data is sorted. If you don't need any changes, feel free to skip this step. With your report set and customized to your liking, find the print icon. It's usually located at the top right corner of the report page. Give this icon a click and you'll see a print preview window pop up. Here you can make any final adjustments to your printer settings. This might include selecting the correct printer, setting the number of copies you need, or altering the page layout. Once everything looks good, the final step is to click that print button. Your balance sheet will now be sent to your printer, giving you a physical copy to review or share with your team or accountant. And that's it. You've successfully printed a balance sheet from QuickBooks Online, providing you with a critical tool for understanding the financial health of your business. This simple process ensures you have accurate and timely information at your fingertips, ready to support your financial decision making. Happy printing!